This Pro-Face Digital Electronics Corp. ps3710a-t41-pa1 is an operator interface terminal OIT that came to us with a shorted power supply and main motherboard. This unit originally had a failed power supply, but the owner accidentally installed a power supply that had a different output and ended up killing the main control board. We were able to resurrect the whole unit after repairing the original power supply and replacing the motherboard, and as shown in the video, the system fully booted up to the operating system. At ERD, we encounter all types of problems, and many times they are the result of a failed repair attempt, where one simple issue can quickly become a major problem.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.